We're going to JLG.
What is JLG?
Jolly Little Giants?
Jumping Large Gnomes.
Gnomes? Doesn't that start with an N?
No, that starts with a G.
JLG stands for John L. Grove, the founder of JLG Industries.
Hi, my name's Oscar, and I'll show you around. JLG opened in 1969. They produce hydraulic lift equipment for the construction industry. There are many manufacturing facilities around the world, such as China, France, India, and even our little town of Bedford.
After I started working with JLG, I noticed JLG machines are everywhere. Just traveling down the road, you can see them being used on construction projects, even the renovation project happening at our high school right now.
JLG makes scissor lifts, boom lifts, and telehandlers. At the Bedford plant, they refurbish old products and make them new again. JLG's reconditioning process restores machines. First, the machine is disassembled to the core. Next, they replace or rebuild components. Machines are then repainted and receive new decals. Finally, they undergo testing to meet safety standards. On average, the reconditioning process takes 11 days.
Manufacturing is aura.
Manufacturing is cool beans.
I wonder what the employees think.
You're busy all the time. There's never any downtime. So I like to stay busy, and even though you're making the same things every day, there's always different issues.
Rock on!
When somebody has a problem they can't solve, and I don't know, I'm always willing to jump in and help when I solve that problem. That feels pretty good.
That's cool.
Every area has work that needs to be done. Nothing is set in stone. There's always a better way to do things, and just finding out how the best way things flow. It's pretty cool to see the increase over time.
Epic!
And that's
What?
So,
Cool about
Manufacturing.